Many viewers have asked me if I could make a video about this. Therefore, in this video I will show you how to lubricate the pallet jewels. There are different ways to do that. This is my method. Do you have another procedure? Please let me know in the comment section below. What is the best oil or grease to be used? I recommend this synthetic grease, Moebius 9415. This grease is Swiss made and is available in small 2 ml bottles. I use a clean cutting broach to get the grease out of the bottle. Make sure you have a clean oil reservoir. You can use an oiler to easily scrape off the grease from the broach into the reservoir. Because I change this grease every week, a small amount is enough. In the same way, I also fill the other jars with the correct oil or grease. Before using this synthetic grease, it is very important to stir it well to make it into a homogeneous mixture, especially if it has not been used for more than 1 day. I will use my finest oiler to lubricate the pallet fork. An ergonomic black Bergen oiler with tip size of 0.18 mm. Gently go near the edge of the grease and remove the oiler immediately on contact. Now let's start to lubricate the pallet jewels. For this, the pallet fork must be mounted, the balance complete shouldn't. Quick note before we move on, I always lubricate the pallet jewels after the pallet fork has had an Epilam treatment. Now, what is an Epilam treatment and why is it necessary? An Epilam type oil fixer drop is a surface treatment to prevent the spreading out of oils and lubricants to unwanted areas. Moebius fixer drop is especially formulated for use on rubies, steel, brass and other materials. Used on quartz and mechanical watch movements, cameras and precision instruments. To perform the Epilam treatment, immerse the cleaned pallet fork for 10 seconds in a Moebius fixer drop 8981 solution. Alright, this pallet fork has been surface treated and is now ready to be lubricated. It's very important to only lubricate the pallet jewel of the exit pallet and not the entry pallet. Very carefully move your oiler to the center of the exit pallet. If you want to do this very accurately, you definitely need a microscope. Here you can see the nice result of the Epilam treatment. Surface tension keeps the grease nice as a little ball on the surface. Manually move the pallet fork back and forth to distribute the grease nicely. 4 to 5 teeth. Repeat this process until the escape wheel is lubricated on every tooth. So again, you need about 1 drop to grease 4 to 5 teeth. Have I lubricated enough? Check the teeth of the escape wheel as follows. Move the pallet jewel forwards. Then backwards. And back to the center. Check the amount of grease between the teeth of the escape wheel and the pallet jewel.
It's making me weaken. You and your stardust, walking like that. It's really getting too much, but I can't pull back. Though I try to resist, I can't fight this. And no one makes me feel like you do. And no one sets my body on fire. And no one gives me shivers like you. Oh, no one does it better. How I try to sleep, but you're deep in my mind. Got a hold of me. When I'm awake, I'm all blind. You and your magic, like infinite power. God knows I try.
In the next video series you will see how I will perform a complete watch restoration of this beautiful Oyer Carrera. It's a very rare military watch used in the Belgian Air Force, 1970. Caliber Valjoux 7730 with inscriptions Oyer Leonidas SA. If you are as excited as me about this project, please let me know in the comment section below, and then I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.